Good afternoon, guys. AD back here. Welcome to our channel, AD. So it's been long 3 years. We back finally. So we are back with the new topic. What is compressor? That is, we are building the new series related to compressor. Means what is the working of the compressor, working principle, applications, needs, and other parts of the compressor, and its detailed study of the compressor. So I again welcome you back, and if you like the content, then please like the video, share the playlist or video, and please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update. So we are starting with our first topic, what is the compressor. So we are dealing with firstly definition in this video and what is the middle of the compressor. So before that, I will tell you one example related to the compressor. So we all know about the air, or we can say as a gas. Air is also one type of gas, or we can say air is a mixture of gas. Okay. So normally we are saying that the pressure of gas is that 1 bar and volume is that like 1, but if you see some changes in these properties, like if the air is going to change from pressure 1 to pressure 10, and volume is going to change from volume 1 to volume 0.1, then this change is said to be a compression. Okay, this change is said to be a compression. Means what is this said? The increment in pressure of the air is said to be a compression, and increment is due to change in volume. Like we all know in basic thermodynamics, to change the one property of the we can say gas or air, we need to change the another one. Okay, we can say they depend on each other. So in that phenomena, the one term is a compression. So how compression happens? By changing the value and increasing the pressure. This will be defining in terms of definition. Okay, I will defining in next slide. Okay, so basically it is a basic phenomena. What is the basic phenomena? Basic phenomena is change in the pressure of the air by reduction in its value. Okay, so let me introduce you the definition of the compressor. So what is the compressor? The compressor is a machine which increases the pressure of the air, or we can say gas, by reducing its volume, right? Okay, so what I tell you first, the change in properties, one properties and another properties. Let you get the some phenomena. Okay, that phenomena is compressor, or we can say that phenomena is compression. Okay, and that compression phenomena is done by machine called as a compressor. Okay, so we are back, coming back to our topic. What is the definition of the compressor? The machine which increases the pressure of the gas or air by reducing its value is nothing but a compressor. Okay, so we are let know the phenomena of the compressor by one example. Here we are taking the reciprocating compressor. So what is a reciprocating compressor? We will get to know in next coming videos, but for the understanding the working phenomena of the compressor, it is a basic phenomena is applied for all types of compressor. We are taking this example. So this is the reciprocating compressor in which the piston cylinder alignment is there. Okay, here we can see it as a system. So what is system? We already all know what is system. If you don't know, then please watch my video regarding the system surrounding and monitoring, which is available on my channel. Okay, so first In the reciprocating compressor, what is the working phenomena of reciprocating compressor? Here the piston goes, as piston changes its position from position 1 to 2. So we are considering this back position as a position 1. During the position 1, what will happen? In the system the vacuum is created, that is the negative pressure is created. Due to that, there should be suction of the air or gas from the atmosphere. This is the atmosphere, and after the suction of the gas, it is stored here. And when piston moves back, that is the position 2, then there should be a compression of the air. Why it is compression? Here you can see the during the changing the position of the piston, it should be changed in its volume. Here volume, it is not constant. What is volume? Volume is changing. So due to change in volume, there should be a change in pressure for position 1 to position 2. For position 1, there should be a pressure is less, but as the piston moves back, reduction in volume, there should be a change in pressure. Hence, the change in pressure, and due to the change in volume, that is a reduction in volume and increase in pressure, that is called as a compression. Okay, that is phenomena is called as compression. On this phenomena, the machine work. That machine is called as a compressor. Okay, that machine is called as compressor. Once the pressure, enough pressure is built in the air or gas, they should be delivered to the storage tank. This is going to the storage tank. Okay, so that delivery is from that non-return wall. Okay, through the storage tank. This is the simple working of the reciprocating compressor, or we can say phenomena of the compressor. Working phenomena of the compressor. Hope you understand. So what is the basic phenomena of the compressor? There should be a reduction in volume and increase in pressure. Okay, this is the basic working phenomena of the compressor. So again we are coming back to the definition. So what is the definition? The machine which increase the pressure of the gas or air by reducing its volume. Yes, so this is the definition of the compressor or working phenomena of the compressor. So next, why we are studying this, or why it is required? There should be some application of the compressor in server sector. That's why it is needed. So we are dealing with what are the application of the compressor in next slide. Okay, so we can call it as a need. What is the need of the compressor? So first, basically compressor is needed in automobile industry. So why it is needed in the automobile industry? So basically for the serval application during the assembly of the automobiles, the compressor is needed. So why compressor is needed? That is simple tricky question. To provide the compressed air. Okay, so next is the food and beverage industry. It is also needed. Then for the manufacturing industry, this is also needed. And for agriculture sector, the compressors also needed. And for pharmaceutical industry, this is also needed. Okay, food and beverage and pharmaceutical industry, the compressor is also needed. So basic function of the compressor in this all industry, like for the automobile and food beverage and for manufacturing, for agriculture, for pharmaceutical, is to supply the compressed air for several purposes. Like we are taking the example of the automobile industry for pneumatic tools. What pneumatic tools do? During the assembly of the automobiles, pneumatic tools are used for the assembly. Okay, for that compressed air required. Hence we are saying that compressor is needed in automobile industry. For food industry, for we can say packaging, packaging, or we can say blowing the packages, like we are considering the plastic packages of the food, and that are blown by using the compressed air. We already know what is the blowing operation, okay, in manufacturing. So that are blown using the compressed air. And in manufacturing sector, we are using the compressed air. We can take the example of the spray painting. We are using this compressed air for spray painting. And for agriculture industry, we are using the compressed air also, and for the pharmaceutical industry. So in the pharmaceutical industry, again we require the oil free air. So what is the oil free air, oil injected air? We are dealing with the link this with next video, or I will prepare the different video to say the difference between what is the oil free air and oil injected air. But for now we are understanding that in pharmaceutical industry, oil free is required. Okay, so these are the basic need, or we can say application of the compressor. So hope you understand. If you have any doubt, then please ask in comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.